Alright, so task 1 is connect coffee device and set it to start at 6:30 a.m. Set to repeat 4 days a week. So you can begin that. And then, yeah, I don't, it's pretty much already set. So, and then each time you can just basically go back or to the home screen. Yeah, just go to the home, wouldn't mind. Yeah, so into task 1. Task 2, add a new device to the saved list. And I'll have to hint that any devices available will automatically be discoverable as long as they have Wi-Fi access. And basically, you just can pick any of them and just set it to whatever you would. Alright, into task 2. Task 3, disconnect all devices except for the car. Alright, perfect. Now the car is the only thing connected. I mean, do you consider that a pretty easy task?
Yeah, it's definitely easy to follow.
Okay, good. Alright, next task. Set all news alerts to be displayed at 7:15 a.m. And in real life, we could easily change that time. But you get the gist of it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, there's pretty much set. So were able to complete that. Looks like it was pretty easy. Next task. Set local news alerts for your location to be New York City. Alright, set for New York City. The next task, set sports alerts to display 2 headlines and to display the leagues of NFL, MLB, and NHL. I have it here set up where you first change the actual number of headlines displayed. Here, I'll change to 2, and then change number of leagues. That changes to 3, and then so you can physically go in and choose your leagues in real time. I have it just prototyped to automatically be that way for simpler uses. That is the end of that task. Next task, set weather alert to display weather for your current location. Alright, and then notice there was an error pop up informing the user that if they turned on this option that the weather app would require permissions from the iPhone itself. Was that easy to understand? That you simply just had to accept that?
Yes.
Good. Alright, next task. After setting the national news alert for the United States, return to the home screen of the app with as few clicks as possible. So we're just setting national news alerts here for the United States. That would be, it's already set there, perfect. And then all right, and you were able to return to the home screen with what, about 1 click? Just because
right.
There
is always a button indicating home, so it is easy to just click on that and go back to your home screen at any time.
Perfect. Alright, 2 tasks to go. So now turn off all the news alerts, but keep device automation and the weather alerts on. So we just wanted to make sure all the news alerts are off here. They're all off. If they were on, you could simply you would think, yeah, you can simply click the on off button. That's for the iPhone. Okay. And we also want to make sure that devices and weather are still on. Alright, let's see. It says we still have the news alerts on and there. So, alright, they're simply off. Turn back to the home. Okay, good. And then the last task, turn on local, national, and stocks news alerts and connect coffee and shower devices. Set the news alerts and devices to be set for 6:30 a.m. So we want local, national, and stocks. That's what we're aiming for.
Okay.
Right, those are set. And we also want to connect the shower and the coffee devices. Yep, set for 6:30. There we go.
Looks like it's already connected.
Okay. So that's already connected. If we could just possibly disconnect the other two devices. Let's see, we're having technical difficulties, which it's good to see. It's just something I clearly see that I need to work on a little more. The goal here obviously is just to disconnect the last two, which clearly can't be done at the moment. And we will just go ahead and end that task, because you were able to turn on all the options you needed to. These last two we clearly weren't able to turn off, which isn't a huge deal, but definitely shows that the application could use a little work. That is the end of testing for sample 1.